What's good, YouTube? We here sitting here with another video today. Just wanted to sit here and show you what I basically feed my babies. So we got 40 pounds of quarter legs. We got 20 pounds of some beef shoulder, and we got two whole pork shoulders right here. Pretty much remove the bone and whatever I thought. This is pretty much it. You got your vegetables over here. You got your kidney. Normally they get some pancreas and some spleen, but I couldn't get it today. You got your blueberry over there. This right here is the key. Excuse the regular bags, but this right here is raw beef green tripe. Excuse me while I try to open up the bag. This shit stinks, but your dogs will love it. See, as soon as I pulled it out, right? Marley loves it. Marley loves it. But I'm gonna just say, get to cleaning this and getting to chopping it up, and I'll sit here and show you an update what it looks like when it's done.